29 baht. It's like a 80 cent. Really? Is that? No, I think this is 79. So here's the kitchens for kitchens. Pans. There's a lot of kind of pans. Surf preview 59 baht. $149 baht. So that's what all I can show in this short time, because it's only the camera. I can't cover everything, but I am trying my best. I think no one make video like that so long, and I'm going to make it different parts, like a part 1 or part 2, because the one video will be very longer, and then you can see like you can't see in one time. So these are the prices for everything, and then you can see it's 990 baht is not expensive, but the prices are good compared to the other shops. I didn't see like the IKEA prices are good, and the stuff is good also. As you can see, this is just 399. Oh, I think the New Year sale or bringing out the stock. Everything is low price. Everything is half price actually. Something is less than half, more than half. So there is a different kind of carpets. Different kind of.
For convenience, please put the small items on the belt, leave the large items on the trolley, and turn the barcode side to the cashier. This will help
Only 49 baht.
Process. Thank you.
Carpets. It's a lot of carpets. You can see here is how to test the carpet. It's only 4,000 baht, 5,000 baht, you can see here. And they are testing. It's 7,000 baht. It's not expensive, but actually just now you see the guy, he tests the carpet with his head. Wow. It's very thick. This is very thick. It's 8,000, yeah. 7,990. It's cheaper, not. I mean, in other shops I compare, it's more expensive. And here's the toilet seats more. And you can see different kind of stuff. ice cream. Only 149 baht. This is 79 baht.
Now we can get two of the black as the price of one of the white.
250, 400 and 600 baht. I mean, compared to normal shops, they are cheaper. Let's see here. These are the steel baskets. And it's cheaper. It's just $2.99. You can see here. And if you see here the plastic one, it's 9 baht. No, this is $2.99. And here, there's a different kind of things. You can see here is a 49 baht. All these are very cheap. I mean, you will get in 49 baht, you know. The cheapest one here. I compare to another places like Hong Kong, and another place is cheaper actually. So you can see there's a good quality, better, and it's cheap. So that's why I always like to come here. This is like a hardware shop. You can see here the hardware stuff. All 199, as you can see the everything is just very cheap here. If you see to other shops like that, there's a drilling area, and then you can see here the drill only 590. Then here's a 249, 299. This is the set. Only 299. And these are 249. Like this is IKEA shopping online. I can't cover, I'm still telling you, I can't cover everything. Of course, there's thousands items and products here. I'm just telling you something that come on my way. Actually, these look beautiful lights. Like this is 1,990 baht. You can convert in your currency. So beautiful lights. This is how the IKEA in Bangkok, Thailand. Actually, before I was in Malaysia, and Malaysia IKEA I feel it was a bit bigger than here. And we can eat the meatball halal food because Malaysia is a Muslim country, so it's easy to eat. Like everyone can eat, even Muslims and non-Muslims. But in Thailand is difficulty for Muslims because of the food, and then not everything is. You can see here. So you can see it's very beautiful. Then you can see here the prices are half almost.